What's up, world? Back again with another video. Yo, man, I don't know what's been going on, man. I don't know what's been going on, bro. I've been broke down at least one time every week for the past 5 weeks, bro. I feel like at one point I was in a hotel more than I was actually driving, bro. I don't know what's going on, man. Quantix, let me know what's up, bro. Like, for real, for real. But I'm not really blaming Quantix because most of the time it's not taken care of by the Quantix mechanics. You know what I mean? It's taken care of somebody. I'm broke down somewhere in Illinois, somewhere. I'm broke down somewhere in Indiana. I'm broke down somewhere in Arkansas. Like, and they taking care of it, but they not doing what they supposed to be doing. So I'm not blaming Quantix, but I'm blaming all these mechanics out here in the United States of America. America, bro. What are y'all doing, bro? Like, get to the problem, fix the problem. If y'all see any other problems, fix the other problem, bro. Why is that so hard? Why is that so hard? Hey, we spotted air leakage here while we were fixing this. We're gonna go ahead on and fix that too. You getting paid? Just charge the people. But they like, oh well, shoot, we fixed the problem. But we might see we see that other problem, but we ain't gonna worry about that because they ain't asked about that. Bro, what is y'all doing? What is y'all doing? Like, seriously, what are y'all doing? So I'm not understanding that. But I've been broke down for the past 5 weeks, at least once a week. This is the only week where I have not been broke down. Well, last week. Well, I got my truck last week. So this week that we're on right now. But we'll see how this week goes, you know. Other than that, everything else been good though. Man, I've been driving, I've been putting in these miles, man. And that's the key. You gotta put in those miles. You have to put in those miles. That's what you gotta do. That's just what you gotta do, man. But yeah, been having mechanical problems, and I know I made a little short about it, me getting back on the road finally, but yeah, it was air leakage. My truck went and derailed like I don't know how many times. So they had to do like a forced regen. I don't know, several times. I don't know what caused that though, because the truck, it regions by itself. Nine times out of 10, that's what wakes me up in the morning. Is that truck making that noise? Y'all know what noise I'm talking about. If you're a trucker, you know. And it makes that noise, and shoot, that's what wakes me up. But so it does it by itself. So I'm not understanding why, you know, it's not, my truck wasn't doing it by itself. Or it was doing it by itself, but it still would go into derail. So, you know, I'm not a mechanic, so I don't know the technical, the in and outs of that stuff. But I tell you one thing, it's definitely been messing up my money. So, because if I'm broke down, you're only getting X amount of money and you're not moving. Therefore, you get breakdown pay. That's cool, whatever. But bro, that's not what I'm in it for. I'm not in it for that little chump change every day. I'm in it for the big money. Y'all know, we gotta get to the bread. If them wheels not moving, man, you just not getting no bread. You're not getting no bread, man. That's just what it is. So I told the company, like, look, I keep getting broke down. Just keep the truck in the shop and check everything. Make sure everything is okay. And then bring it back. You know what I mean? But they fixed everything, and like I'm looking at my dash right now. Right now, my check engine light is on. I don't know what that can. It was off when I got it out the shop. I started driving, check engine light on. I'm asking them. I'm saying, is it something I'm doing wrong? I don't know if it's something I'm doing wrong. Maybe it's something I'm doing wrong. Maybe somebody in the comments let me know what I'm doing wrong. Maybe that's what it is. I'm doing something wrong, because check engine light shouldn't be coming on as much as my check engine light come on. And a lot of people in the comments like the infamous check engine light, because in all my videos you see my check engine light. Man, this been happening in my past 2 companies too. They think I'm in the same truck. I'm not even in the same truck. I'm not even in the same truck. Man, I done had multiple trucks at my previous job, and I had a couple of trucks at my first job. And all my videos is a check engine light. I'm like, bro, is it me? Maybe it's me, bro. Maybe it's me. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, because in all my videos, people see this check engine light on, and they think I'm in the same truck. I'm not even in the same truck, bro. I'm not even with the same company. And my check engine light is on in all my videos. And the shop always check what's going on, and they always fix it, and then boom, check engine light is on again. So, bro, somebody left a comment, said the infamous check engine light. I was like, bro, I appreciate you watching my videos and been watching my videos for that long, but bro, it's funny, but it's sad, because it's like, bro, all my trucks, the check engine light is on, and I don't do nothing but drive, bro. I don't be messing around. I don't be pushing buttons I'm not supposed to be pushing. I'm not out here racing other trucks. I'm not being no speed racer or any of that. I follow all the rules. I do the speed limit. I get from point A to point B. I do my job. Check engine lights on. I don't know, man. I don't know. Y'all guess is better than mine. But I thought that comment was funny because of the simple fact that they're right. Like, it's the infamous check engine light. It's the infamous check engine light, man. I don't know what is going on with these trucks. Or, I shouldn't even say the trucks. Maybe it's people that's working on the trucks. Maybe it's the trucks. I don't know. Maybe it's me. I can't blame anybody at this point. And I'm not going to blame anybody. If I'm going to blame anybody, it's going to be myself. Maybe it's something I'm doing. I don't know, man. Maybe I'm just switching gears too quick or something like that. Like, I'll put it in drive and hit the brakes, put it in neutral. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, 5 weeks straight, bro. And we're praying for a good week this week. No breakdowns, no nothing. Make this bread and get on about our business. That's what we're praying for. But y'all let me know if y'all been having truck issues. I heard somebody tell me that it's because of the heat. Now, you know I'm in Texas, and this heat is kicking my butt, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Every summer I say the same thing. This will be my last summer in Texas, bro. I really don't like the heat like that. Not this type of heat. Texas type of heat it's different, bro. It's different. I've been everywhere in this country. I haven't felt anything like that before. Like, one day it got to a point, and they say it's they give like, I don't know, bro. They give you like notifications or something, like, and telling you, hey, you shouldn't be outside at this time. Like, man, I've never been anywhere where they tell you don't go outside. Like, you can't go outside because of how hot it is. I don't want to live nowhere where I can't go outside, bro, because of the heat. So yeah, I'm kind of over that heat. This Texas heat is a little different for me, even though I'm born and raised out here. It's just, I don't remember it being this hot growing up. Like when I was younger, I don't remember it being this, like, as hot as it is now. So I don't know. This is different. I don't know. But someone told me that truck is messing up because of the heat. Like this heat is messing up my truck. So that could be a possibility too. So need y'all to leave a comment. Let me know if that's even a thing. Because I never heard of, you know, the weather messing up somebody's truck. So like it's too cold. Like somebody up north saying, yo, my truck is messing up because of how cold it is. You know, I never heard anything like that. But if that's true, y'all let me know, man. Put me on game, man, because I'm not a mechanic. I don't know, you know, about these trucks. All I know is what I need to know about the trucks. So I don't know anything about the weather messing up trucks or anything like that. But shoot, if that's the case, then I don't know, bro. I don't know. So yeah, I just wanted to give y'all that little update, make a little video and stuff like that. Where am I at right now? I think I'm in like Alabama or something, some Mississippi, one of these countries. I mean, I say country, one of these states. It is a country, but yeah. Oh man, bro. But yeah, I'm out here. I'm heading back to Texas. So yeah, that's a good thing and a bad thing at the same time, but because of that heat. But shoot, it is what it is. I'm gonna end the video like that. I appreciate all y'all watching my videos, man. I've been getting a lot of views, a lot more views than I typically get. So I appreciate y'all. A lot more subscribers than I usually get per month. So I appreciate that as well. You know, I'm gonna continue making this content, and I'm gonna keep on trucking, whatever. You know how I do. And yeah, that's about it. I appreciate all the love and support. And make sure y'all watch my previous videos too. Leave a comment, let me know how y'all feel about it. Y'all already know the score. I don't know why I did that. Y'all don't flame me because I did that lame stuff. Yeah. As always, keep trucking. Y'all stay safe. Make sure you stay safe. And always utilize your gift.